Can numbers only have a pattern? Can numbers only have a different kind of series and patterns, or do they only follow something which is interesting and logical? Can we try it with alphabets also? Yes, do you want to find out? Let's try this question first. Okay, now see, I have written one question here which says that if A is equal to Z, B is equal to X, what will be the value of C? What will be the value of C? So, as you can see, here A is written as Z, right? B is written as X. That means they have skipped Y. What will be the value of C? Then that means we have to skip W and it will be equal to V. Interesting. Did you find it different? Did you find it logical? Hey everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. Our today's topic is alphabetical series, but as usual, before we go further, before we start our class, let's have a look at a very interesting questions. Ready everyone? Let's have a look then. Here is the question. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I? Pause the video and try to find out the answer. Think it logically, you will definitely get the answer. Answer will be told to you at the end of this video, so stay tuned and watch the video till end. Found interesting this question? Let's begin our class now. As I told you that our today's topic is alphabetical series. So the first and very basic thing is to write all the alphabets, but in a different way. We are not going to write all the alphabets in a traditional way as you all are writing. Today I'll tell you how to write all the alphabets in some different way. Ready? Ready to learn something new? Let's go then. See, how in my classes you are going to write the alphabet. First, you must know that there are total 26 alphabets. Okay? Do you know? Have I said it right? Yes. So what I have done is I have divided all the 26 alphabets into two equal parts. That means 13 and 13. Where I have written first 13 alphabets in this order, and then starting from here only I have written 13 letters exactly below the above letters. Like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 13 letters are done. Then starting below the M letter only, I have started writing N onwards. So N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are total 26 alphabets. In this way, we are going to write these alphabets in every question to make our question very easier and to have the look at the question and solving it in within few seconds. If you write like this way, you will be getting some more different logics along with the question. So, ready for the class? Ready to solve some question? Here, as I have explained you in the number series also, in my previous classes also, here also I'll be explaining you some question, and then you have to get the logic and try out some questions yourself. Okay? Okay, now as I have told you that we will be writing this alphabet series in this way only, so I have already written this alphabetical series for you. Okay, now let's start our class. Here the first series written is A, C, E, G, and then we have asked to find out the next number. Okay, now see, after writing this, what we have to do? Whatever the alphabets are given in the series, just mark their places like this: A, C, E, and G. Right? So, as you can clearly see, between A and C, B is skipped. Between C and E, D is skipped. Between E and G, F is skipped. So to find out the answer, we have to skip H. And what will be our answer? I. Yes. Okay, now, so let's play a game along with our reasoning question. Right, friends? So what you have to do is, you have to write your favorite thing starting with the I. Anything which you like. Okay, well, I'll tell you mine. Mine is ice cream. Okay, so it starts from I. You also have to write the same. You also have to write one word which you like, which starts with I, to me in the comment section. Moving ahead. Okay, now, next series written here is V, R, N, J. So, as I told you, just mark their places first and then we will look at the pattern. V, R, N, J. Right? First thing which you must have noticed is that this series is written in the reverse order. Okay? Now, checking the alphabets, how many are skipped in between these alphabets? Let's check. Between V and R, how many are skipped? 3. Between R and N, how many are skipped? Again, 3. Between N and J, how many are skipped? 3. So, I guess everyone has got the answer. We also have to skip 3 alphabet in order to get our answer. Yes, so our answer will be F. Can you tell me one animal name starting with the F? Yes, write to me in the comment section. Moving ahead. Now see, earlier the kind of series which you have seen is in which there was one letter written. But now you will see a pair of alphabet written here. So again we will follow the same pattern and we will mark the alphabets as a pair now. Okay, so starting, this will be AB, DE, GH, JK. Right? After marking this, let us check. See, C is skipped in between these two pairs. Again, one letter is skipped in between these two pairs. Again, one letter is skipped in between the next pair. So, what will I do? I will also skip one letter and this will be my answer. Now here, since you have get this M and N as your answer, so form a word which starts with M and ends with N. Okay, form a word that starts with M and that ends with N. Write to me in the comment section. Okay, moving ahead. I hope you are enjoying my classes. I would say here that before proceeding, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get the recent updates so that you do not miss even a single update of our such interesting lessons. Now, coming back to the question. Here we have the series as AZ, BY, CX, DW. Can you see again these are pairs and these are written like this. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W. What if you have written all the letters in the traditional way only, in the single line? You must not get the answer, right? But now here we can clearly see what will be our answer. It will be E, V. Now students, one thing I would like to tell you here is there is one different approach also for this question, which you should know to solve different types of question. Suppose if I forget this Z, Y, X and W. Can you see we have a series A, B, C, D. Okay, now if I skip these, the first alphabets in each pair, do I again form a series? Do I again get a series? Z, Y, X, W, right? So dear friends, I just want to tell you there is not only one approach to go for a question. Here you have two series going on together. One is A, B, C, D. Another one is Z, Y, X, W. So you can clearly tell it will be E and it will be V. Okay friends. So you have to write places name. Okay, you have to write place name that starts with E and that starts with V. Find it out and write to me in the comment section. Moving ahead, our next question is VT RP NL JH. Let's quickly mark VT RP NL JH. First, if I see this alphabet pair, can you see U is skipped? If I again see the next alphabetical pair, this is skipped. If I see the next alphabet pair, M is skipped. And if I see the last alphabetical pair written here is I is skipped. Right, friends? Now, the second thing is these all are written in the reverse order. Right? Now, along with the alphabetical pair, there is one letter skipped in between these two pair. Again, one letter is skipped between the next pair. Again, one letter is skipped between the next pair. So, to find out the answer, what we have to do? First, we have to skip this one alphabet and then we have to take the next pair, where also we have to skip one alphabet. I'll clear the screen and write it more clearly. See, JH, right? This was the last pair. So we have to skip this G. Then we have to take the next pair, in which also we have to skip one alphabet in between from them. So what will be our answer? This will be FT. Now here, friends, what you have to think, what you have to take care of, you cannot write the answer as DF. This will be completely wrong, because if you write the answer as DF, this will be a different number. Okay, because this will be a different pair of alphabet. Here we have to write in the same pattern as we are given in the series. If we are given the series in the reverse order, then we also have to write the next alphabetical pair in the reverse order only. We cannot change the pattern according to our wish. So take care of this point very carefully, please. Now moving ahead for the next question. Our next question is Z X U S P N K I. So let's quickly mark Z X U S P N K I. Now, first thing which is very clear, I hope everyone has seen, one letter is skipped in between this alphabetical pair. In between every alphabetical pair given here is one letter is skipped. Now if I talk about ZX and US, how many letters are skipped? 2. If I go back to the previous question, there was one letter skipped. If I come back to the next question, here we have skipped 2 letters from each and every pair, right? So in order to find out the answer, we have to skip 2 alphabets, and this will be our answer. Again, the answer will be FT, because we have to skip one letter. Now friends, since this answer has come twice, tell me a flower name that starts with F and that starts with D. You have to tell 2 flowers name which starts with F and which starts with D. Moving ahead. Now see, till now we have seen the series in which there was one alphabet, there was 2 alphabets, and now we are seeing the series in which there are 3 alphabets, right? So let's try this question. Let's quickly mark FGH JKL NOP RST. So you can clearly see in between these pair one letter is skipped. So we will skip one letter, and what will be our answer? It will be VWX. Getting the questions, friends? Liking it? Okay, moving ahead. Next series is BCHINOTU. So let's quickly mark BCHINOTU. Now you can see there are many alphabets skipped. right? Let's quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alphabets are skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alphabets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alphabets. So, what we have to do? Again, we also have to skip 4 alphabets. But we are left only with Z. What will be the next alphabet here? Again, we will start with the series that is from the starting onwards. That means our next alphabet will be A. So, my dear friends, you don't need to worry if the alphabetical series ends here. You can again start with A. So, the answer will be Z, A. Got the question? Moving ahead. Now, this is one of the interesting questions. I hope you will like it. A, E, I, O. And what will be the next? Going with the same pattern, let's quickly check their position. A, E, I, O. Okay now. So, how many alphabets are skipped? 3. How many alphabets are skipped? 3. How many alphabets are skipped? 5. But is this following a pattern? No, it is not following a pattern. But you can have a different look at this question from your English subject. When you see this question, did it click in your mind that these all are vowels? A, E, I, O. These all are vowels. And we exactly have how many vowels in our alphabets? 5. Yes, we have total 5 alphabets and the remaining are consonants. So you can also use this concept here to find out the alphabetical series. Got this, friend? Do not have a particular pattern for solving such question. Always look with the different ways to solve these questions. Moving ahead. Next series is ABC, ZYX, EFG and VUT. ABC, ZYX. That means one from the starting, one from the end. Yes. EFG, VUT. Can you see? One from the starting, one from the end. One alphabet skipped, then again starting, end. Right? So here, continuing with the series, skip one alphabet. What will be our answer? It will be I, J, K. Got this? Okay now. So that was our last question. I have asked you this question. This was very easy, friends. Question was, I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I? The answer is very simple. It's a keyboard. Okay? Like the question? That's all for today. The worksheet for the same will be uploaded on the school mobile app. Practice well, students. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you.